With powerful jaws, the leopard drags its prey across the ground, searching for a safer place to feed. Every step is careful. Every sound matters. Because in this land, the scent of fresh kill travels far, and it never goes unnoticed. Hidden in the grass, a lioness has caught the scent. Stronger, heavier, and far more dominant, she moves with quiet confidence. The lioness charges. In a flash, the leopard abandons its kill and sprints away, its body stretching with speed and urgency. Every second counts. Behind it, the lioness claims the prize without hesitation. The chase is short, but the message is clear. In the wild, strength often decides who eats, but instinct decides who lives. The leopard reaches a tree and, with incredible agility, launches upward. Claws grip the bark as it climbs higher and higher, escaping beyond reach. Below, the lioness stands over the stolen meal. The hunt is over for her. But for the leopard, the story continues. From the safety of the branches, it watches, hungry but alive. This is the reality of life in the wild. No victory is permanent. No meal is guaranteed. Every moment is a balance between risk and survival.
Subscribe.